Over the last few days, the AQI in the national capital has been a point of constant discussions, be it amongst the political discussions or in personal discussions as well. But this morning, as the people of national capital woke up, there was a very slight relief for them. The AQI in the national capital was recorded at 450 overall this morning, which is a little better than what was yesterday. The main reason is behind this is being said to be the increased wind speed, due to which the pollution has moved away from the national capital, and in fact the visibility has also increased marginally if we compare it over the last 2 days. Now GRAP 4 measures have already been implemented in the national capital, which means that the Delhi government is now trying to make sure that the factors that actually contribute to the pollution out here in the capital, that can be reduced. And that is the reason why this very morning itself the Delhi government has gone ahead and decided that the workforce in offices of Delhi government will be reduced to 50%, whereas schools and colleges across Delhi are operating in an online mode. So somewhere or the other it is being tried from the side of the Delhi government that the number of vehicles that are plying on the road, that can be brought down, because at this point in time it is being said that the emissions that come out from the vehicles out here in Delhi, that contribute at least 21% to the massive pollution that engulfs the national capital year in and year out. So once this is being done, it remains to be seen if at all it will have some long lasting impact on the people of Delhi. But the larger question that still remains is that even after this season, there are no long-term measures that have been put in force either by the Delhi government or by the central government, which means that year on year, people of the national capital and NCR region will have to face this very, very toxic condition in which they are being forced to breathe, or they are being choked in this toxic air.